Welcome back to our channel. Meet the TOSHIBA Umami Smart Rice Cooker, where tradition meets innovation for the perfect bowl of rice every time. Designed with cutting-edge smart technology and Japan's signature umami enhancement cooking, this rice cooker turns every meal into a delicious, aromatic experience. Whether you're cooking fluffy white rice, brown rice, porridge, or mixed grains, it brings out the full flavor and texture that your family will love. From its intelligent temperature sensors to its sleek modern design. Multifunction, this rice cooker cooks a variety of dishes, not just rice. Features 15 cooking functions, including white rice, quick cook, brown rice, mixed grain, Jastmine rice, porridge, cake, and egg. This sticky rice cooker also makes soups, stews, oatmeal, cakes, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this TOSHIBA Rice Cooker 6-cup cooked offers great versatility and convenience. Easy to use, this rice cooker 6-cup is designed with intuitive control panel, features a large LCD display for quick and effortless programming. Keep warm/reheat function keeps your rice warm and delicious. Accessories included: measuring cup, spatula, and soup ladle. 3D heating technology and 24H timer. This rice cooker with 3D heating technology delivers uniform cooking for rice while saving water and energy. Featuring a 24-hour timer and keep warm function, it meets your food cravings anytime. Easy to clean, inner pot with non-stick coating and not recommended, dishwasher safe and should be washed with mild soap and soft cloth. The steam valve located on the top of the lid can be easily removed for cleaning. Steam vent cap is also removable for easy cleaning. Ultra capacity and thick pot. The 5.5 cup uncooked capacity can meet the food needs of a family of 6. 3.1 mm thick pot, compatible with durable inner pot with PFAS free ceramic coating. It can also be safely used by children. Both of all making it an essential rice cooker for every household. And that's this rice cooker: smart, stylish, and simply perfect for rice lovers. Enjoy every bite packed with flavor and texture, all thanks to TOSHIBA's Umami technology. The TOSHIBA Umami Smart Rice Cooker ensures convenience, consistency, and taste, making it a must-have for every modern kitchen. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.